Okay, first thing, make sure you come up to the top of the screen and change it to say Whip Nene so that you know what project you're on. You also want to make sure that your instrument is clicked and armed. You want to make sure you come over to the right-hand side and make sure that this count-in duration is off so that you don't hear the metronome before you begin. Once you've got everything set up, make sure you have your 2 fingers, 2 notes set up. Okay, so E and 5, and then you're going to hit record. 1, 2, 3. Quarters. And that's the end of it. Okay, once you've done that, you hit stop, and then you're going to export. If you feel good about it, if it's good, you're gonna download the tracks. Keep in mind my internet is pretty fast and I don't use my Chromebook all day long. This is the same Chromebook that you have, so this could take longer. All right, so that's gonna show you 2 different stems. You wanna download the one that's the instrument one, and you want to, once it's downloaded, yep, so it looks like it's downloaded, then you want to put that into the Canvas assignment as a downloaded file. Okay, so you're going to go to the Canvas assignment, click the file upload, and choose this one from it. And then you can click off of this, make sure you hit save if it's not saved already, and you're done.